Hello everyone, is your car's brake light staying on even when you're not pressing the pedal? Or is your transmission acting weird when shifting gears? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0719, brake switch B circuit low, it means there's a problem with the brake switch signal. In this video I'll explain what P0719 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0719? The P0719 trouble code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects a low voltage signal from the brake switch B circuit. This switch plays a critical role in both braking and transmission shifting. If it's faulty, your vehicle may have trouble downshifting, cruise control may not work, or the brake lights may behave erratically. Ignoring this issue can lead to unsafe driving conditions. Common symptoms of P0719. Brake lights stuck on or off transmission, shifting issues, cruise control not working, check engine light on limp mode activation. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0719, check these key components: brake light switch, stop light switch. Location: mounted near the top of the brake pedal inside the driver's footwell. Function: sends a signal to the PCM and transmission system when you press the brake pedal. Transmission range sensor, TRS. Location: on the transmission housing, near the gear selector. Function: works with the brake switch to allow proper gear shifting. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location: under the hood, near the firewall or battery. Function: processes signals from the brake switch and transmission sensors. Brake light fuse and wiring. Location: fuse box under the dashboard or hood. Function: controls power to the brake light circuit. Common causes of P0719 faulty brake light switch. A worn out or damaged switch may not send the correct signal. Bad wiring or loose connections. Frayed, corroded or loose wires can cause signal loss. Blown fuse. If the brake light circuit fuse is blown, the switch won't function properly. Defective transmission range sensor, TRS. If the TRS is bad, the PCM may misinterpret the brake signal. PCM malfunction. If the PCM isn't processing the brake switch signal correctly, it may need reprogramming or replacement. How to fix P0719? Step 1. Inspect the brake light switch. Check for damage, loose connections, or debris around the brake pedal. Step 2. Test the switch with a multimeter. If it's not sending the correct voltage, replace it. Step 3. Check brake light fuse. Locate the fuse box and replace any blown fuses. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Fix any damaged, corroded, or loose wires in the brake light circuit. Step 5. Test the transmission range sensor, TRS. If gear shifting is still an issue, inspect or replace the TRS. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and check performance. Ignoring P0719 can lead to brake light malfunctions, transmission shifting problems, and even safety risks. Fix it early to avoid bigger issues. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0693, fan control circuit overcurrent. P0694, fan control circuit short. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.